Welcome back. You're watching SABC News Prime Time. Let's take a look at more of our stories tonight. The Correctional Review Board will meet tomorrow to discuss the suspended parole of paralympian Oscar Pistorius.
Pistorius' release was suspended last month after the Justice and Correctional Services Minister found that the decision was made prematurely. Now his lawyers are bracing themselves for another court battle. They've filed papers in the Supreme Court of Appeal for the November hearing.
On count 1, murder read with Section 51(1) of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 105 of 1997, the accused is found not guilty and is discharged. Instead, he is found guilty of culpable homicide.
The state says Judge Masipa erred by arriving at this verdict and believes he should have been convicted of murder. But Pistorius' lawyers argue the original verdict should stand, as the appeal does not raise questions of law but of fact, and that factual findings cannot be challenged at the appeals court. And that Judge Masipa correctly considered all the facts in reaching her verdict, including that Oscar Pistorius mistakenly shot Steenkamp thinking she was an intruder. And also that the state's reliance on circumstantial evidence was unreliable, and that the appeal is an attempt to salvage its failed case. Pistorius' lawyers also believe if the state is successful in its appeal, it could result in a retrial which could see Oscar Pistorius punished twice for the same crime. Well, they also argue that the athlete cannot afford another trial. But for now, Pistorius remains behind bars, pinning his hopes on the Parole Review Board for a slice of freedom. Criselda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.